Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 7 and today I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. So before you get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. You could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. So from here, pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom left side of the phone, so right here. Push the pin in and you'll see that the tray just pops out ever so slightly, enough for you to yank it out. And on the tray you have space for just a single SIM card and nothing else. So place the card with the chip side up and then carefully insert it back into your phone. As you can see, the card starts working immediately, so I will confirm my SIM card pin to unlock it, and that's it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.